छो किथे रुक जाऊं रफ़ीको इर्तका रुकजे नथी। छो किथे रुक जाऊं रफ़ीको इर्तका रुकजे नथी। ज़िंदगीअ जी आरज़ू में जुस्तजू थकजे नथी। साथियो संदरा बदी हलंदा हलो वधंदा हलो पाण छो बीही रहूं दुनिया जन बीहे नथी। हाणे आउं तकरीर जे लाइ गुज़ारिश कंदुसि मिस्टर फलक रज़ा उमरानी खे त अचनि ई पंहिंजी तकरीर पेश कनि। मिस्टर फलक रज़ा उमरानी, इन द साउंड ऑफ बिग क्लैपिंग।
As this gathering has been arranged about the Latif and sin, many different problems have been injuring the beauty of sin, as illiteracy, terrorism, extremism, load shedding, kidnapping, employment, and other many different problems. I would like to start my speech with this poetry. जे वेड़ जे लाइ उपाउ थींदो, जे वेड़ जे लाइ उपाउ थींदो तॾहिं वतन जो दिफ़ा थींदो। जे सीने साम्हूं घाव थींदो तॾहिं वतन जो दिफ़ा थींदो। एका मिली ॾहाका थियूं, एका मिली ॾहाका थियूं, ॾहाका मिली थियूं जे सौ सुपा जो ईअं जुड़ाव थींदो तॾहिं वतन जो दिफ़ा थींदो, तॾहिं वतन जो दिफ़ा थींदो। In the terms of natural and economic resources, Sindh is the largest, Sindh is the richest province of the Pakistan, but the people of Sindh remain amongst the poverty. Sindh is the home of 2 major seaports and the largest international airport. Trade worth of billions of US dollars done in through the province. Majority of head of offices of banks and financial institutions, multinational companies are based in Karachi. The capital of Sindh also remains the capital of Pakistan, making it commercial and financial nerve center of the country. Respected sir, Sindh is the largest producer of oil and natural gas. Sindh accounts 99% of oil reserves of the country, which are located at Lakhda, Sunda, Thar, Badin and meeting Jampir. With the Tharkoil field being the largest field of the world, Sindh has to keep on complaining about its federal funds. Respected sir, 71% oil, 71% gas is produced in Sindh. 77% oil is produced in Sindh. 97% coal is existed in Sindh. 70% electricity is produced in Sindh. What do I tell you? 12 lakh marine ton fish has been caught from Sindh. Respected sir, I would take my place with this poetry. ए धरती तो के दांड ना, ए धरती तो के दांड ना के लुड़क फड़ा के माँ का फड़ा। ए धरती तो के दांड ना के लुड़क फड़ा के माँ का फड़ा जिन तो के रत जा रे जन ना से जग में पाण संवारे, जग में पाण संवारे। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।